Hello, I'm Laura Leist, founder and owner of Eliminate Chaos, and I would like to share with you my 10 steps that I developed over 15 years ago and are documented in a book called Eliminate Chaos, the 10-step process to organize your home and life. Now, I will say that recently there's been quite a craze that Marie Kondo has stirred up with her book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I have read the book and a lot of people have asked me about it, but it was not the first book on organizing and nor was mine, but I know that my process works and it is maintainable. So I would like to share with you today what those 10 steps are and how you can apply them to any area of your home. So the first step is to make time. That is very important when it comes to organizing any area of your home. Make time. Step 2 is to gather your supplies, and these would be things like recycling boxes, bags for trash, maybe a recycling bin and some sticky notes. The third area is to establish a staging area, and by a staging area I mean really having a great area where you can spread things out and do your work. Step 4, 5, and 6 actually go together. Step 4 is to sort, step 5 is to purge or edit, and step 6 is to group like items together. So let's say that you're pulling things out of a kitchen cabinet to organize. Maybe you're setting them all down on the kitchen counter, but in order to really organize something, you must sort and make decisions on what you are going to keep and what you are going to let go of. Once you have gone through these 3 steps, you are ready to then organize what is left. Step 7 is for you to re-examine the area that you're organizing to ensure that you have enough space for those things that you're organizing. And step 8 is the part that everybody seems to enjoy, and that is shopping. But shopping really needs to happen as step 8 and not at the beginning, because you'll never know what you need and how the space will work for those items that you're organizing until you've gone through the steps in this order. Step 9 is to get everything into its place, whether that means that you've bought product for helping you to contain the things that you're organizing, or if you're literally just getting things put back into place. And then step 10 is maintenance. And by maintenance, what I mean is that it's very important that on somewhat of a regular frequency, you go back through that area and maintain what you have created in order to make sure that those areas are always organized for you. So I hope that you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about the 10-step process that I've documented in the book called Eliminate Chaos, the 10-step process to organize your home and life.